Welcome, class, to a workshop on Coach Joe rules. In this lesson, we will review Coach Joe rule number 24, which states, shared code ownership is the goal. Code ownership means who is allowed to modify the existing source code. There are three types: individual code ownership, small team collective code ownership, and department or organization-wide collective code ownership. Let's take a closer look. With individual code ownership, one person is responsible for the whole application. They will make all the changes, fix all the bugs, and they are the subject matter expert. The pros. It's good to be the king. No one knows the code, so there is job security. The problems are: there is a key man dependency when only one person can make changes. Bottlenecks can occur. There is a knowledge silo when only one person knows the system. What if they leave? Are we screwed? Can anyone take over? When a clever solution is created, no one will ever understand to appreciate the result. When something goes wrong, everyone knows who to blame. With no code reviews, a poor design decision will never be detected. When the application is running smooth and changes are effortless, this developer can become lazy. With little effort spent working on the application, more unproductive time will occur. This will stunt their career growth as they get behind with the latest technology challenges. Being the individual code owner has its advantages. Just don't let your career suffer by missing out on new technologies and sharing knowledge between other developers. With small team collective code ownership, one team of 4 to 10 people are responsible for all changes to the source code. Here are some advantages. There is no key man dependency. All developers are trusted to make changes. There is better knowledge sharing, which leads to better pair programming, which results in better code quality. This allows everyone to be engaged with design decisions and offer creative ideas. There are a few drawbacks. There is a popular quote, "When everyone is responsible, no one is responsible." Unless individuals step up and take responsibility, no ownership means no responsibilities. Other times, there is one individual that generates friction and fails to be a team player. Their ego gets bruised when their code is changed. Or that developer with company seniority joins the team and changes everything. Now one person is happy and everyone else is miserable. It's important to always have 1 or 2 technical experts on the team to prevent the application and code quality from suffering. The better developers need to be challenged with more technical responsibilities. They need to get their hands on something new and exciting from time to time, or they'll start searching for other job opportunities. And finally, sometimes a specialized person is brought in to perform a unique task. Pair programming and knowledge sharing may not happen until their work is completed. Small team collective code ownership is the preferred approach, especially when the team has the right people. Learn new things from others, mentor junior developers, and continually challenge yourself with new technologies. With department or organization collective code ownership, 50 or more people across several teams manage the code. This means any person from any team can make a change to the source code. Anyone. Here are a few advantages. There is no key man dependency roadblock. All developers are trusted to make changes. Weak developers will be surrounded by better developers. This allows them to learn and grow while the team succeeds. Here are a few problems. Weak developers might never challenge themselves. Instead, they rely on better developers to do all the hard work. Like before, when everyone is responsible, no one is responsible. There is no shared common vision for the application. It is common to have a lack of subject matter experts. No one fully understands the application, so more people are brought into design meetings. This will require longer lead times before making changes. Software quality normally goes down because there is no pride in the work being done. It is common for a developer to change the code to match their style only to find another developer changes it to match their style. Morale is typically low because there is limited individual knowledge and growth potential. When new and exciting work is available, it is always given to the chosen few that are favored by management. The result is, good developers leave and weak developers stay. The application will never get stronger, only weaker. Department or organization collective code ownership is great for junior and mid-level developers to gain knowledge and experience with existing technologies. Once you master these challenges, find yourself a little niche here, transfer to another department, or consider other companies to nurture your growth. If you have a choice, most developers agree the small team approach is best. Leave a comment down below explaining your preferred code ownership style. Look for other helpful Coach Joe videos. Remember, future senior developers, make it work, prove it works, then make it better. Ready, break!